Hi there, students. In this video I wanted to look at two verbs and an adjective. To fizz, and to fizzle, and then fizzy as the adjective. And I guess you could have the adverb fizzily. Okay, so to fizz is when something is full of bubbles and the bubbles come off. So he poured me a glass of fizzy champagne. Yeah, the champagne fizzed. Yeah, so to fizz means to produce lots of bubbles and make a continuous sound. Yeah, so the drink fizzed. I could see the bubbles. Now you can use this metaphorically, meaning to make a sound like this. So the fireworks fizzed in the air. I could hear the fireworks fizzing. So to effervesce, to sparkle, to bubble. Yeah, a fizzing noise, to fizz. You can also use this meaning to move with excitement. So, anticipation fizzed through my veins. Yeah, okay, excitement fizzed through me. Yeah, to go really rapidly. But if something fizzes, this is to effervesce, to sparkle with bubbles. So fizzy water. I like fizzy drinks. Fizzy is the adjective. Yeah. And then you can use this meaning liveliness. So this was fun at the beginning, but after a while it started to lose its fizz. Yeah, it wasn't as interesting. Yeah, it wasn't as fun. It wasn't as vivacious. So she's a lovely young lady full of fizz. Yeah, full of energy, exuberance, animation, vivacity. Okay, so yeah, there was a lot of fizz to his lessons. They were really interesting. They had drive to them. Now, I also mentioned this word fizzle, and I think you can use fizzle in the same way as fizz, but I think fizzle is for less intense. So the Coca-Cola fizzed, it fizzled, but fizzle is generally less intense, and we often use fizzle particularly to fizzle out, meaning to die off, to decay, to burn out. So the enthusiasm fizzled out. It lost its fizz and slowly started to decay. I'm thinking of a fuse on a firework. Yeah, you light it and it fizzles. It goes much more slowly. Okay, so fizzle. Yeah, it's this spluttering, hissing sound. Okay, so to fizzle, it's less strong than a fizzing sound. To splutter. Yeah, so it fizzled out. It stopped working so well. To end feebly after a really good start. So he started really well in the marathon, but then he started to fizzle out. Yeah, and he was no longer competitive. Yeah, the enthusiasm died away. It fizzled out. It collapsed. It disappeared. Okay, so fizz. Effervescent, a fizzy drink, a fizzy sound. Yeah. This is clear onomatopoeia, and this is the origin of this. You can hear it in the psh. Listen to a glass of champagne. Yeah, you could have a Bucks Fizz. This is a mixture of orange juice and champagne. Okay, and then to fizzle, to fizz, but much less intense, with much less intensity and much more slowly. Yeah, so it fizzled rather than fizzed. Yeah, I have the idea of a fire that's burning really strongly is fizzing, whereas if it's burning and it's raining and it's damp, it fizzles. Yeah, whereas fizz is much stronger. To fizzle out, to die out, to wane, to decrease, to ebb. Okay, so to fizz, formality. I'm going to give it a 5 in formality. I think if you call somebody fizzy, I guess 5 in formality as well. And to fizzle out, yeah, I'd probably 4.5 in formality as well. And then as to origin, this is pure onomatopoeia. So fizz, psh, fizzle, and I think that's really the difference. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Fizz, fizzy, fizzle.